while I was folding clothes and everything, I was watching the Fire Festival on Netflix, so I made the funniest faces. I mean, it was such a crazy experience, all the things that happened. So that's why I'm looking at the TV so crazy, because that was just a really crazy documentary. Okay, so this stuff right here is actually some items that we are going to be donating. Like everybody else, I've been watching Tidying Up on Netflix, and Marie Kondo really inspired me to start getting my house more organized. And we always start that off in January with really wanting to be organized, but she really inspired me. So I'm actually going to do a reaction and some organizing of my own and put my own little spin on it, the KonMari method and everything, in a later video this month for an decluttering challenge that I'll be having for the entire year of 2019. But these are all the clothes that we're going to be donating. It's clothes, it's books, it's some toys in those, the two tubs below. And then over there are actually books that we went through. We went through all the books and the toys in the house. And then these are actually books that we're going to keep. I'm going to get some different tubs at a different date. But for now, they're going to be in these. Alright guys, so here is the living room before, all the things we had to put away from decluttering and organizing, and then here is the after. Finished putting everything away. Thanks so much for sticking it out with me. I hope this was motivating, and we'll see you in the next video.